Ito ata yung kay, Charlie D'Amelio. Masarap. Na-hyper ako. Anyway, let's try. Maayong morning, everyone! It's already 10 a.m. na, guys. May bang morning ko. It's a good day. Marami tayong gagawin today. And ayos na yung bed ko. Malinis na yung room ko. Kasi naglinis ako last weekend. Kahit isang day off lang ako. And then kahapon naglinis din ako ng buong bahay. So, which is really good. Ang dami ko nagawa during my 2 days off. Kasi ngayon na ako nagka 2 days off. Anyway, marami tayong gagawin ngayon, guys. Wala pa akong ligo. First, magko-coffee muna tayo, which is, excited ako sa coffee ko. Guys, andito na sila. Tanan! Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na masarap. Sobrang sarap yun. Dunkin Donuts na coffee, iced coffee. So, ito muna yung kainin ko. Tsaka, maliligo ako after. So, ito, caramel. Ito ata yung kay, Charlie D'Amelio. Masarap. Na-hyper ako. Anyway, let's try. Para sa long day, kailangan mo ng matapang na kape. Pa-summer na kasi dito, guys. So, ano na siya, okay na akong mag-iced coffee sa morning. Diba? Okay. Positive energy. Ng positive energy. Gabi, ang dami kong nagawa kahapon dahil dyan. Na-hyper ako. Ito yung favorite. Ang nangyari. Yes. Diba? Nagtapon si Manang Biday ng pagkain dito, guys. And ayun niya mag-focus. Hindi ko alam ano nangyari. Sarap. Guys, ang dami ng bagong leaves. I'm so happy. Ang dami na niyang leaves. Tsaka ito, hello. Bukas na. Ang haba naman ito. Leaves na to. Leaf na to. Yan, meron siya dyan. Ang dami na nito. Itong isa is parang naghihinalo na. Pero ito, meron naman siyang bago. Surviving naman to si Peace Lily. Wala nga lang yung flower niya. But that's fine. So yun na, guys, tapos na akong magbihis. Kailangan ko talaga siyang pansyahin tong buhok ko kasi ano siya. Kaso kaya ko magpansyahan. Tamad ako. So nagbihis na ako, guys. Ito na yung outfit ni Lola. Mag-chinelas lang ako. Sandals. And then mag-beach kasi kami. So yun, that's it. Mag-lip tint lang. And that's it. We'll go. We're going. Hi, Bob.
See, I'm signaling.
Guys, we are on our way now. Where we are going, Bob? Where are we going, Bob?
We're going
randomly, like some kind of beach.
We have a clue, but we don't know what kind of beach there is. So we don't know if it's gonna be any good, if it's gonna be any bad. We're gonna go and check it out. very hidden spot. We don't know if it's actually gonna be good, but we're gonna go and check it out. There's a Chinese guy, so we're gonna follow him because he might have a clue what's good.
Okay, let's go.
I'll wait in the car.
So maglalakad ng ganito.
I can smell the sea.
Yeah. So meron tayong mga stairs. Kasi buang you can't pee here.
People on the chairs.
Yeah.
But you have to go through the water. Can you?
No.
Just take off your shoes.
My gosh, look at that.
Just take off your.
Guys, we're here. We need to jump.
We're at the end of our trek. Very short.
Ito lang siya. Kailangan mong cross niyan.
English.
Para makatawid doon.
English. English pa.
So let's go down pa. We can actually go if we were just wearing slippers. High tide. Wait, stop it, Bob. I have camera on me.
But don't sink it. Just jump in there with your feet.
Well, you can. So guys, we're here.
So you guys, we're here.
The hidden beach. Dito sa here.
It's not even beach. We're just on at the bottom of the rock. And that's about it.
And we're going to the beach after this one.
What beach?
The Omana beach.
Omana is a natural reserve.
Oh, I don't know. We're going somewhere else. Because it's difficult to go.
You have to cross the water. You know,
Yeah.
you have to cross the water, but she doesn't want to. She's scared.
So guys, we are going to the beach because it's difficult dito. Lumabas na yung bangs ko kasi mahangin. Ay, ang gulong-gulo na ng bangs ko. Saan yung bangs ni Merlin? Yan. So nice dito. You know. Okay guys, next location. Punta na tayo doon. Somewhere. Anong bangs? Are you alright, bangers? Yan. What's this? Where are we, Bob?
Jollibee.
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 Shelly Bay. Malapit lang siya sa the one that we went. What was the name of the last one?
Jollibee.
We actually don't know. We're just like
It didn't have a name, Buang.
Yeah. It's just the end of the road. So it's just
Of the world.
the road, not the world. But look at that. Yan. Can you hear the?
But we don't have towel.
There's heaps of people there. Agay! Da. He's so mean. He just like squeeze my fat.
No, I like to squeeze you. This is so cute.
So we're not going there, guys. Because ang daming tao. Heaps of people. And then they're like
look at this
family.
Guys. Look at this.
Don't show your.
It's a bruise.
Don't show your tummy.
No,
They're not interested in your tummy.
Huh?
They're not interested in your tummy.
They are interested in the bruise you caused me.
Because you squeezed my back, my fat. Yeah. So we're going now to Omana Beach.
It's not Omana Beach.
Reserved. Somewhere. Oh, malabas naman yun.
Bastos.
Bastos daw. Sorry po. Kiss you. Going back to the car. Guys, andito na kami. We're here at Omana.
It's 30 seconds ago.
There. It's really good. Nice beach. Punta tayo dito, guys. No. Yan. Oh my gosh. Kami lang tao dito. Pero yung santo nito. Ganda siya. Dito ako sa may silong. Diba? Ganda dito. Hindi siya white sand, pero okay lang. Ang ganda, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Nagkatakot yung tree. Mas pwede kayong mag-pictorial dito. Hack, hack, hack. So, home time, Bob.
Korean.
Oh yeah, Korean. We're going to the Korean
Need
store.
to message the cat that we're gonna be in Korean store in about 40 minutes.
40? Yeah, okay.
Traffic plus before we get to the car. What's the time? Are you gonna drive?
No.
Oh, but you know the road now.
Scary road.
I want you to show me what you learned.
Guys, we're going home. No, I mean we're going to the Korean store first. Kasi mag-barbecue kami later. Korean barbecue.
Nothing.
I'll catch all I need. You need.
You need? Or I need?
I got all you need.
Oh, give me. Give me what I need.
What you know about what? Part?
It's you. It's your line.
Guys, nandito na kami. We are here in
English, please.
Wangmart.
English.
Wangmart. Korean store. They just arrived too. There. Yeah, you go get it.
We're running out of them.
Tingnan niyo yung ano nila.
Meron pa, no?
Yung ano nila, oy. Oh, maapo kami rin. Yapil juga. Tingnan niyo, yan. Oh, dinala nila lahat. Binili pala, dinala. Ano ba talaga yung Tagalog mo, Zay? Ayusin mo, Zay. Hindi pwede mo ganan. Sayaw ka. Tragol pa more. Oh.
Ano dito? Hindi niya kaya, guys. Bumili siya ng pagkadami-dami, pero ganyan talaga, guys. Mahirap.
Oy, Milona. Milona. Coffee pa more.
Stop ka for next
1 month. Drink
lahat. Lipat siya guys.
Uy, babay na. Gistuyo ba ni? Para hindi daw ka Another match. Guys, bahay na ako. Bahay na kami. Sila Kat, nag-ano pa sila, nagpa-car wash pa sila. Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nabili ko. Hindi ko naman ipapakita sa inyo. So, ito na naman yung mga okarto na mga chips. Kasi naubusan na. And then, ito daw, masarap daw to. Honey butter chip. So, mat-try ko siya ngayon. Yan. Ang dami namin okarto na binili. Tapos, ito yung favorite ko talaga na bilhin doon, yung sweet corn. Kasi masarap talaga siya. As in promise, gusto ko itong sweet corn na to. And then, bumili ako, na-try ako nitong kimchi na noodle. I think nakainin ko. Then, ito din, itatry ko siyang i-air fry. Ito, sushi seaweed spring roll vegetable flavor. Ano ba? Ito, i-grill din namin. And then, meron akong mga meat na nabili. Wait lang. Kailangan ko pala ng ano. Hindi ko pala. So, hindi pala. So, ito is 55. At ito, 55 sa 8. Hindi pala ito 55. Yan. So, meron akong pork na strips, which lulutuin. And then, ano ba ito? Ayun yung matanggal. What you know about love? nila. And then, meron akong ito, marinated na beef, bulgogi. Tapos, meron akong plain lang na beef. Masarap kasi itong beef. Yan. Plain lang na beef. So, i-prepare ko na siya kasi para pagdating nila, ready na. Ready to go na. So, ito yung bag ko na banana. So, yan na guys. Prepare ko lang siya and then see you later. Ito na. Asam gilot? Anong niluluto mo, Kat?
Sushi?
Ito ang fake na crab sticks, no?
Fake.
Fake nga. Oh, sayo nito. Ay, wala mo siya ni sayo.
Uy, sayo na! Kat!
Ay, wala siya. Ay.
Wala! Dagan 1 subscribe kay Gear.
So, season. Pressure. Para lang, kuan ba? This, marinated beef, pork, sausage, and then, ito,